Just by uploading 3 videos, they were able to get 35,000 subscribers. What's the secret? I'll reveal everything here. Hello, everyone, nice to meet you all. I'm Mr. Gauss, a channel that discusses ideas, tips, and tricks on how to make money from the internet, particularly YouTube. In this premiere video edition, I will dissect someone else's channel. It's very special because with only 3 videos, they managed to gain 35,000 subscribers in just 3 months since the channel was created. Are you curious? I hope all of you can learn from this video. To get inspiration for your future work, especially as content creators or YouTube enthusiasts. Here, I will show you a channel called Super Prime. Take a look at this channel. It was created in February 2023, which means it's only been 4 months, and it has already gained 35,000 subscribers with just 3 videos. Isn't it impressive, my friends? Even the first video immediately reached 400,000 views. It exploded right from the first video. In my opinion, it's a very effective way to gain such a large number of views in a short amount of time. The question is, how is it possible? How can only 3 videos go viral? Or why did the first video explode with views? Okay, this time we will find out the recipe behind their videos trending on YouTube. What is it about? Okay, this time we will discuss. What is the content about? After checking, it turns out that this channel discusses making money online from YouTube and other sources. Okay, step by step. In the first video, they talk about how to make money from YouTube short videos. In this first video, it immediately gained 400,000 views. Not many channels can achieve this. The standard for the first video is usually around 60,000 to 150,000 views, but not for them. The video they created reached 400,000 views. Regarding the content, they explained a little about short videos on YouTube. How to make short videos. How to optimize other people's long videos into shorter ones with some customization added by them. In essence, they cut other people's videos but add special effects to avoid repetitive content. Okay, in their second video, they discuss 3 iTool websites that help them earn $3,400 per month. What's even cooler is that they created a thumbnail with the text, "Money Machine." In this video, they explain how they use third-party assistants to make their content creation process easier. In their third video, they talk about their journey from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 1 week with 1 video. Isn't that cool? They also emphasize the importance of choosing a niche and relevant topics for the videos they share. In this video, they explain in great detail, creating a flowchart from the beginning to the end. It's truly comprehensive and complex. And here, they also explain using several websites to conduct research, and they explain it in great detail. It's understandable that they got so many views and subscribers because they optimized their content accordingly. Okay, in conclusion, after checking and observing, they prioritize every aspect. Starting from thumbnails, keyword research, video title research, researching what's trending worldwide, to language and subtitles, everything is taken into consideration by them. With the current number of subscribers and views, it's certain that this channel is already eligible for monetization through the YouTube Partner Program with just 3 videos. It's truly amazing. That's my review of one of the tricks to make money from YouTube through content created by others. Please support my channel's progress. If you like it, please like, comment, or subscribe. See you in the next video.